The Xfinity Xumo Streambox is a streaming device that brings live TV, on-demand content, and apps to your TV. It's about the size of a smartphone. First, connect the Xumo Streambox to your TV using an HDMI cable. Plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the back of the box and the other end into your TV. Then, plug in the power adapter. Connect the power cord to the box and plug it into an outlet. Power on the device. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate it using your Xfinity account. An active Xfinity TV or internet subscription is required. For a stable connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect the box directly to your router. Otherwise, proceed to Wi-Fi setup. During initial setup, the Xumo Streambox scans for available Wi-Fi networks. You'll see a list of networks appear on screen. Select either your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network. The 5 GHz option is recommended for faster streaming speeds. Use your remote to enter the Wi-Fi password. Ensure your signal strength is strong, with at least 25 Mbps download speed for optimal performance. Once connected, you'll reach the home screen. The device runs on Android TV OS, giving you access to thousands of apps. Navigate to the Google Play Store icon on the home screen to install additional apps. Some apps are pre-installed, including Netflix and YouTube, for immediate access. In the Google Play Store, use the search function to find desired apps like Disney Plus or Paramount Plus. Select the app and tap Install to add it to your device. For security and performance, regularly check for updates by going to Settings, then System Update.